Welcome to the world of time-tested Amish wisdom. Forget fancy gadgets and expensive kitchen hacks. The Amish have been perfecting the art of simple, effective food preservation and preparation for generations. Today, we're diving into 30 Amish food hacks that will blow your mind and make life easier. From keeping eggs fresh for months to storing potatoes in sawdust to prevent sprouting, these old-school tricks will revolutionize your kitchen. Let's get started. Store potatoes in sawdust to prevent sprouting. Tired of your potatoes growing weird little roots in storage? The Amish have a fix for that. Instead of keeping them in plastic bags or baskets, they bury them in sawdust. This trick regulates humidity and prevents exposure to light, both of which cause sprouting. Just layer dry sawdust in a wooden crate, add your potatoes, and cover them completely. You'll have fresh, sprout-free potatoes for months. Store eggs in lime water to keep them fresh for months. Think eggs only last a couple of weeks? Think again. The Amish have a mind-blowing way to keep eggs fresh for months, and all you need is lime water. Here's how it works. Mix pickling lime, calcium hydroxide, with water and submerge your unwashed farm-fresh eggs in the solution. The lime seals the eggshell's pores, preventing air and bacteria from getting inside. The result? Eggs that taste just as fresh as the day they were laid, even 6 months later. It's like time travel for breakfast. Keep milk fresh by submerging it in cold water. No fridge? No problem. The Amish have mastered an ingenious way to keep milk fresh by simply dunking it in cold water. Here's the trick. Fill a large container or sink with cold water and submerge your milk bottle, ensuring the water level stays just below the lid. The surrounding cold temperature slows down bacterial growth, keeping the milk fresher for days longer than usual. Bonus tip: if you're lucky enough to have access to a running stream, placing your milk in a floating container in the cool water works even better. Soak beans overnight to improve digestibility. Ever felt a little uncomfortable after eating beans? The Amish have a simple fix: soaking beans overnight. This hack isn't just about softening them faster, it actually breaks down hard-to-digest compounds, reducing bloating and making them easier on your stomach. Just soak dried beans in plenty of water overnight, then rinse them before cooking. Your belly will thank you. Smoke meat with fruit wood for extra flavor. Want to take your BBQ game to the next level? The Amish use fruit wood like apple, cherry, and peach to smoke their meats, infusing them with unmatched depth of flavor. Unlike regular wood, fruit wood burns cleaner and imparts a subtle sweetness to meats like pork, beef, and even fish. Next time you fire up the smoker, toss in some fruit wood for a smoky, slightly sweet finish that'll have everyone begging for seconds. Soak wooden spoons in salt water to prevent cracking. Nothing beats a good wooden spoon in the kitchen, but they can dry out and crack over time. The Amish have a genius solution. Soak them in salt water overnight. This simple trick hydrates the wood while preventing it from absorbing too much moisture during cooking, keeping your wooden utensils in top shape for years. Try this once a month and say goodbye to splintered spoons. Make homemade butter by shaking cream in a jar. No churn, no problem. The Amish make delicious homemade butter with nothing but cream and a jar. Here's how. Pour heavy cream into a mason jar, leaving some space at the top. Secure the lid and shake vigorously for 10-15 minutes until the fat separates from the liquid. Strain out the buttermilk, rinse the butter with cold water, and knead out any excess liquid. Add a pinch of salt if you like, and voila! Fresh, homemade butter that tastes better than anything from the store. Make vinegar from apple scraps. Why waste apple peels and cores when you can turn them into homemade vinegar? The Amish use this clever fermentation trick to make their own apple cider vinegar. Just fill a jar with apple scraps, add water, and stir in a spoonful of sugar. Cover it with a breathable cloth and let it ferment at room temperature for 2-4 weeks, stirring occasionally. Over time, natural bacteria will transform it into tangy, probiotic-rich vinegar, perfect for salads, cleaning, and even home remedies. Use a root cellar to store vegetables year-round. Before refrigerators, the Amish perfected root cellar storage, keeping veggies fresh all year long. A root cellar is a cool, underground space that maintains constant temperature and humidity levels, preventing spoilage. Store hearty vegetables like carrots, onions, and cabbage inside, and they'll last for months without refrigeration. Don't have a root cellar? Try burying a cooler in the ground for a budget-friendly alternative. Thicken soups with mashed potatoes instead of flour. Want a thick, creamy soup without the floury taste? The Amish swear by mashed potatoes as a natural thickener. Just add a scoop of mashed potatoes to your soup or stew, stir well, and watch it transform into a rich, velvety dish. This trick not only avoids processed thickeners, but also adds a subtle, earthy flavor that flour can't match. Plus, it's gluten-free. Hey, if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot and means the world to me. Now let's move forward. Make buttermilk by adding vinegar to milk. Ever needed buttermilk for a recipe but didn't have any on hand? The Amish have a quick and easy fix. Just add vinegar to milk. Here's how it works. Mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice into a cup of milk, stir, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. The acidity thickens the milk, creating a tangy homemade buttermilk that's perfect for biscuits, pancakes, and marinades. No special ingredients, no extra trip to the store, just Amish ingenuity at its finest. Use bacon grease as a seasoning for vegetables. Don't throw away that leftover bacon grease. It's liquid gold in Amish kitchens. Instead of butter or oil, use bacon grease to sauté vegetables for an unbelievable depth of flavor. Drizzle a little over green beans, cabbage, or even potatoes, and you'll never go back to plain old butter. Plus, it's a great way to cut down on waste while adding a smoky richness to your meals. Preserve meat by canning instead of freezing. No freezer, no problem. The Amish have been canning meat for centuries to keep it fresh for years without electricity. Here's how it's done. Cook the meat, pack it into sterilized jars, and process them in a pressure canner. This method locks in flavor and nutrients, making it easy to have ready-to-eat meals on hand, even during winter or power outages. Chicken, beef, pork, you name it, the Amish can it. Add a dash of vinegar to milk to make it last longer. Want to stretch your milk a little further? The Amish have a surprisingly simple trick. Add a tiny bit of vinegar. Just 1 teaspoon per quart helps prevent spoilage by slowing bacterial growth. You won't taste the vinegar, but you'll definitely notice how much longer your milk stays fresh. Bonus tip, this works best with raw or minimally processed milk. Use honey instead of sugar for healthier sweetening. The Amish love their sweets, but they often swap sugar for honey. And for good reason. Honey is more natural, has antibacterial properties, and adds a richer flavor than refined sugar. Plus, you can use less honey than sugar since it's sweeter. Try it in your baking, tea, or even homemade jams for a touch of old-fashioned sweetness with added health benefits. Ferment pancake batter overnight for extra fluffiness. Want next-level fluffy pancakes? The Amish have a secret step, fermenting the batter overnight. Simply mix your pancake batter the night before, cover it, and leave it at room temperature. By morning, the natural fermentation process will have added tiny bubbles and a deliciously tangy flavor, giving you the fluffiest pancakes ever. Who needs boxed mix when you've got this Amish hack? Mix vinegar and salt to clean cast iron naturally. Cast iron skillets are kitchen workhorses, but they need proper care. Instead of using harsh chemicals, the Amish clean their cast iron with just vinegar and salt. Sprinkle coarse salt over your skillet, add a splash of vinegar, and scrub with a cloth or brush. This method removes stuck-on food and rust while keeping your skillet well-seasoned and chemical-free. Just rinse, dry, and rub with a little oil to keep it in top shape. Drying fruit leather in the sun for natural snacks. Forget store-bought fruit roll-ups. The Amish make their own all-natural fruit leather by drying pureed fruit in the sun. Here's how. Blend up your favorite fruits, spread the mixture thinly on parchment paper, and place it in direct sunlight for a slow, natural drying process. In just a day or two, you'll have delicious, homemade fruit leather. No additives, no preservatives, just pure fruit goodness. Bake potatoes in a bed of hot coals for smoky flavor. Want to take baked potatoes to the next level? The Amish bury them in hot coals for a smoky, fire-roasted taste that beats any oven-baked spud. Wrap your potatoes in foil, place them directly in the coals of a fire, and let them cook for about an hour. The result? Perfectly fluffy insides with a crispy, smoky skin. No fancy grill needed. Bake bread in cast iron for a perfect crust. Forget flimsy baking sheets. The Amish swear by cast iron for the ultimate homemade bread. Cast iron retains heat evenly, creating a golden, crispy crust while keeping the inside soft and chewy. Just preheat a Dutch oven or cast iron skillet, place your dough inside, and bake as usual. The result? Bakery-quality bread straight from your kitchen. Make homemade noodles with just flour, eggs, and salt. Forget store-bought pasta. The Amish make homemade noodles with just 3 simple ingredients. To make them, mix 2 cups of flour with a pinch of salt, then add 2 beaten eggs. Knead the dough until smooth, roll it out thin, and cut into strips. Let them dry for an hour, and boom, you've got fresh, hearty noodles perfect for soups, casseroles, or buttery Amish-style dishes. Simple, delicious, and made from scratch. Make homemade ice cream with hand-cranked machines. No electricity? No problem. The Amish make rich, creamy ice cream with old-fashioned hand-cranked machines. Here's how it works. They mix milk, cream, sugar, and vanilla, then pour it into the ice cream maker's canister. Ice and rock salt go around the outside, and then crank, crank, crank. The manual churning creates an ultra creamy texture that no electric machine can match. It's hard work, but trust us, it's worth every turn of the handle. Ferment vegetables in crocks for natural probiotics. Before refrigerators, the Amish preserve vegetables by fermenting them in large crocks, a method that also boosts gut health. Here's how it works. Pack sliced veggies, like cabbage, cucumbers, or carrots, into a ceramic crock. Add a simple saltwater brine and cover with a weight to keep everything submerged. After a few weeks, the natural fermentation process creates tangy, probiotic-rich veggies without any artificial preservatives. Use cast iron skillets for even cooking and durability. Cast iron isn't just for show. The Amish swear by it for cooking everything from cornbread to fried chicken. Why? Cast iron distributes heat evenly, lasts for generations, and gets better with age. A well-seasoned skillet becomes naturally non-stick, meaning less oil, better flavor, and a perfect sear on meats and veggies. Bake bread with wild yeast starters. Before commercial yeast, the Amish made bread rise with wild yeast starters, and the tradition continues today. By mixing flour and water and letting it sit for a few days, natural yeast in the air ferments the mixture into a bubbly, tangy starter. This homemade starter gives bread a deep, complex flavor and an airy texture, making every loaf better than anything store-bought. Make homemade sausage with natural casings. The Amish take sausage making seriously, crafting homemade links with natural casings for a flavor-packed, old-fashioned taste. They grind fresh meat, mix in herbs and spices, and stuff the blend into clean, natural casings, usually from pigs or sheep. The result? Juicy, perfectly seasoned sausage that's way better than anything you'll find in a supermarket. Ferment homemade ketchup for a probiotic boost. Did you know ketchup used to be fermented? The Amish still make it the old-fashioned way by letting their homemade ketchup ferment for extra flavor and probiotics. To do this, they mix tomato puree with vinegar, honey, and spices, then let it sit at room temperature for a few days. The result? A tangy, gut-friendly ketchup that's richer and healthier than the bottled stuff. Keep apples fresh by wrapping them individually in newspaper. Want apples to last all winter? The Amish have a genius trick. Wrap each apple in newspaper before storing them in a cool, dark place. This keeps the apples from touching each other, preventing bruising and rot. With this simple method, apples stay crisp and fresh for months without refrigeration. Use cold buttermilk to make the flakiest biscuits. Want light, flaky biscuits every time? The Amish always use cold buttermilk in their biscuit dough. Why? Cold buttermilk reacts with baking soda, creating tiny air pockets that make the biscuits extra fluffy. Plus, keeping the fat cold prevents it from melting too soon, giving the dough those buttery, flaky layers that make homemade biscuits irresistible. And there you have it, 30 mind-blowing Amish food hacks that will make life easier and your kitchen more efficient. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. If you love these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing kitchen hacks and old school wisdom. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.